You see this comment, people don't want to take responsibility for their irresponsible actions. I'm old enough to take responsibility for my actions, so stop dragging my parents into this matter. Even my parents know that I question them. I know that when lie became an institution, truth sound like rebellion. People don't want you to question even their pastor, their traditional leaders. Everybody will accept that Nigerian problem is leadership problem. But people are still the one defending the leaders in the political arena, in the religious arena, and in the tradition or tribal arena. But we can't continue like this. If leadership is our problem, we should also understand that the people are also the problem. People who are supporting them are basically the problem, because we are the foundation in which the leadership are standing upon. So when you question things, it is not an insult. People think that when you ask a question in our environment, you are insulting people. Are you mad? You have right to say no or yes. It's not an insult. There have been many inconsistent stories since I made the video about Obi of Iseluku saying that he's from descendant of Benin. And like I said, they say whatever goes up will come down. But I tell you that truth is one thing that goes up and never come down. They say whatever has a beginning has an end. Truth is something that has a beginning but never has an end. Truth is the strongest religion ever to exist. So people don't know this, and that's why they think that lie will stand a test of time. Don't you see that you people lies have having 3 different or 4 different versions? That's to tell is a lie. When a story does not have one source, it means that the story is a lie. People say, and after Civil War, we migrated to here, that when the time reached, they will push out. Another one say, no, that it is Ezechime that born. In fact, the worst one is the one the people is even painting. That is Igbo people that corrupt the name to Ezechime. Iweka son is one that established Iseruku. I was laugh. In fact, now you are saying that it's not even the last one. It is Benin that came and established Iseluku. The other one is saying that Ezechime himself, the Benin man, gave birth to his children, which is Princess Olona, Princess Onitsha, and other ones. Let me ask you, if the man is a Benin person, why did he give birth and name his children Igbo name immediately? You see, the story does not make sense. You know, they say they corrupted the name, but before they corrupt the name, the man has already given birth. So why did he not call his children Onitsha, which is Igbo name? Call the children Olona, which is Igbo name. Why didn't he give them Princess something or Sazere or Princess or Sazua, the Benin name? This is how you go up and down, tweaking story just to fit your narrative. And I'm sure your king did not send you, or the Oba of Benin did not send you on this tangent you are going. You just copy something from internet and be posting up and down and be thinking you are just creating a narrative. I told you people I'm here to help you for your narrative and to make sense to you. But when you start thinking it, you know that you are foolish. You will know that this thing does not make sense, because lie cannot come from one source. It must come from different sources just to suit a narrative. But if you still think that Benin established those kingdoms in Anyama, what happened to Eka? What happened to Ekwani? I must be proud to say that the Igbos are a strong nation. For them to be strong to corrupt the thing that Benin people establish, Igbo should be respected. Igbo Kwen. Yes, now that's what you're saying. That Benin, as mighty as Benin kingdom is, establish a village, not one, villages in Anyama. And the Igbos conquer it and corrupt the name. And the Benin people cannot even fight over it. Igbo should be respected. I'm telling you so that you start thinking whether you are saying the right thing or not. I told you people that this lie will not fly in 21st century. There's no amount of story people cook up on that will fly. This is how you people are dragging with Yoruba people, and it's still some Yoruba that do not even accept that Benin established Lagos are still coming to tell me I should respect my elder. People like Ademola in my comment section. When a story suits your narrative, the people that are countering it does not have respect. But when they speak against you, you start fighting. I'm out of here, Joe.